Nice to meet you too.
We prepare your dinner.
Really?
Ready?
No way. 真的吗？哇 look. Convenience store.
Sit
Wow.
down. Eat.
哦，谢谢。Wow. Look at this. Thank you. 谢谢。
是这个我们做的
啊。
天然的，
This nature Jinnytty cake.
你敢用啊？以前你敢用没？
这个叉子。
哇。
好几啊，小心，
It's
还有
like
贵，
jelly.
很多种啊。
哦。哦。来这边。
小冰块。
哇。Look at this jelly. 冰块。
对，啊，是要这一边弄的啥？
Actually, we have some stuff, Chad.
Sorry.
Is it are you good? Oh, okay. Thank you.
啊，有加多啦呢。
我给你拿先啦。
We have some sausage that we got on the way as well. Thank you. Like drink.
等一下再说。
我准备东西要给你，那么晚。
Ah, really? Oh, 真的吗？
Your umbrella and
Thank you so much.
啊，这个热可以吹，这个
Thank you. 谢谢。
The ice you can. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let's try this.
Please sign.
Oh,
Please sign.
of course.
好，我可以。好，你
我可以先加先这样。
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. Thank you.
咱们来吃安奶呀，当当呀，
So what is this called again? This is like jelly kind of stuff. Let me taste it. Mmm.
This cake is nature, not colors. 没有色素。对。因为他现在介绍，没听到。
It's like a sweet jelly. But it says it's all natural color. The
不好意思。啊，算，等一下。
Really? It's good.
你这么熬也不要碰。
Restoring my stamina, chat. It's jelly. It's sweet. Well, jelly itself doesn't have any taste, but the sauce, you eat the sauce and then it's like very good.
Are you hungry?
Oh, so good.
Oh, okay.
反正就是
应该是别人大几个。
sausage we got from other sniper on the way. That's like popular sausage here. It's like hot dog.
这个叫大肠包小肠。大肠包小肠就是米肠包香肠。
Ah, okay.
对。
Jake, welcome here. Hello, Jake. Hope you had a good stream. Where is Jake now? Hope you had a good stream. Welcome, Raider. Hello. We are in Taiwan doing Waddlethon. This is almost the end of Waddlethon. We finished our goal and then checkpoint.
Safe travels.
Thank you, Jake. You too. Thank you so much for 13 months up.
没有在帮他介绍，刚讲说这是什么东西。
What is that? Sausage? And I think outside is rice. This is dinner. This is dinner, Chet. Thank you.
Everybody okay? And I see you 那个 have car accident afternoon.
Huh?
I see you 就是
Oh, I wasn't in the accident. I saw actually. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
OK。
Thank you.
还有injury 有受伤吗？没有
No.
没有。
要辣椒吗？
Hello， 你喜欢吃辣吗？可以哈。好，这是我们自己做的辣酱。好，有点辣哦。
真的吗？
有点辣，对。
Oh, a little bit, just a little
对
bit.
对对，
Oh,
没关系，喝辣就喝这个，辣就喝这个哈。对对对。
I put a lot of spicy sauce. Yeah, let's try. Spiced it up. Mmm. Mmm. Oh wow. Oh, it's spicy.
这种炸红摸来呢，这容易糊。
还有酸，对吧？但我刚刚看好像有，他自己整个很周
Let's
全。
try hot sauce. This is good. It's also just like sweet, salty, and then the rice. But the hot sauce, adding hot sauce is like it's kind of like Tabasco, but more authentic. Oh wow. Okay.
你嘛炸好看嘛，这有饭，要有菜包米，你要豆丁。
This is high calorie for sure. I'm gonna get buff. 맛있다. 好吃. And then
Jinny，this one you can eat，试看看。This one
我们做的啦。
超贵，里面有菜包币。
this one is Taoyuan. It's like rice cake.
对对对
哦
，rice cake。
好吃，
是啊，
Thank you。
好吃。
我做的啦。
哦，真的吗？
对
嗯
My
She
mother's
made it.
make，
哦
my mom's make。
It's very good.
对
Thank you.
，he had a 300 years old this one。
It's a 300 years recipe.
对
Wow.
啊，哎，我讲错了，是30 years old。30 years
Oh,
old。
okay.
Oh, sorry.
30 years old. Okay.
My
Still.
my English is poor. So
No,
that-
your English is good.
Sorry, Chet. Won't be able to stream tomorrow. The spicy food gave me hot snakes and I can't leave the hotel room.
A little bit of spicy food is not going to do that. Inside it, they have like meat. Is it meat inside?
哎，
超贵，里面是菜包币。
Oh.
对，
用米做的老肉米，
萝卜丝啊。
Oh, and meat inside or
你查一
something.
下，你查一下，你查一下。
Famous traditional food. Yep. Famous traditional food. This is good, Chap. No, is it rice? I'm not really sure. Sticky rice? Very good, very good.
This one is the shredded radish。
Really? This is shredded radish.
对对对，萝卜丝。
Ah, lobosu. This is shredded radish apparently, but it tastes like meat. It's good. It's yum yum.
Can I have a bite?
Very good, Chet. Some kind of radish. Yeah, but they taste like meat, dude.
你看腰啊，
他走了一天了，对吧？
That's good, that's good.
有没点一头放回家？
Are you so tired?
I am. I'm very tired. Very hot today.
You have a rest
这边还有
to sit down。
Oh,
对，
thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Oh, can I get some more?
这边还有。
No. I mean, the one. This.
哦，另外
Oh, yeah.
drink。OK。
Thank you, thank you.
冰块冰块，
没有，里面还有，还没融化。
Chef.
对。
Wow. Pretty good, Chad. They're so sweet, Chad. They're so nice. They were gonna give more of this to me. This is really good, but I'm getting full. I'm actually full. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna go rest. Pass the fuck out, basically, you know. Wanna go back? Because we had a long day. We did. Compared to yesterday, it's not much a long day. But yesterday, I walked 27 kilometers. Today, I walked only 21. Still though, that's a long, long way. Yeah. Very good, Chad. You want some? I searched a little bit, but there's no massage shop around here because we're in the countryside, I think. Kind of. So, I guess I'm just gonna go back and rest. So, this old street is going to be our safe spot.
There is a kind of hunger called grandma thinks you are hungry.
Oh my god. I think that's like old grandma. Oh, is it only Asian grandma? Like old grandma thinks like kids are hungry. You know that? Yeah. My grandma too. My grandma always think I'm hungry. I'm like, no, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm full. I'm full. I'm like, no, eat more. You barely ate anything. And there was a keep giving food.
I miss my grandma.
Oh, cute. Like a big boy. Anonymous, thank you for gifting sub. Thank you. Anonymous. None of the victor of the sub. I'm fine with the thank you, Sissy. I was over at the list. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sissy. Get up. Thank you so much, Anonymous, for 50. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Very full.
Jinny, how's going today?
Otto, thank you so much for the sub. Great. Everything's going great. Alright, Pat.
我进来是吧？
没关系，拍没关系，拍没关系，对。
留言了，留言了。
要帮你合照吗？
可以吗？
可以啊，可以啊。Can you 对 shop？ 大概哪边？
我可以脱下你。你要对哪一个比较贵？
哇，哎呀，
他先脱他的 rain short，rain coat。等一下。
这个没有。
哎，奇怪，哎，你怎么回事？
哦，他这个。
对。
Mouth full of breed。
就是。
Hello。对不对
？1、2、3，好不好？好。
哪一只啊？
哎，但是没动哎，我不知道为什么。
哦，再一次，再一次。
它没有动，不好意思。
我们来这个。那个是。
对。
Okay, look fat in the picture.
那个。
哦，那这个它这个程度是比较。
我看你。
应该有达到
还好，它吃的差不多。
我还不好意思 ，sorry。
No problem.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
够有面哈。
Okay, let's
我下班赶过来啊，下班会大。
let's pack
好
stuff
小，
up.
好小。
我刚刚从龙潭过来。
哦。
有盐的，那有盐是。
龙潭的。
对吧？哦，我这是做狗狗的，我是工程师。
没有。
辛苦。
Anonymous, thank you, give you some, thank you so much. 你们有袋子吗？
袋子有。
有。
哎，刚刚都袋子。
那谢谢。我是做的这个公司。
刚好遇到了。哎呀，刚好有个英文比较厉害的，因为我英文不是很。
Are you need this?
I already have umbrella.
好。
So 已经有 umbrella。
我懂。
我也有这个。
拿去。电风扇要吗？电风扇可以挂这样子。
Oh yeah, I also have this. 我也有。
你也有哈？This one 嘛。
Oh, thank you so much.
I saw your light is so poor.
Oh yeah.
You have this light is very shiny.
Okay.
You have this one. 对。shiny.
Thank you, 谢谢 Thank you so much. So nice. People are so sweet. Okay.
你明仔就要卖切生意来。
阿媽而家睇死啦。
We have a light.
我就睇死啦。這多少錢？
shiny light. Okay.
我做過10年呀。
我是本地人啊，我住大溪啊。
我上回去，你下次消費再給他。對，有緣，大家有緣。
你要坐無？要坐
Let's see. Okay.
Please.
你淡淡啊，無叫人食。
Okay.
淡淡無。
是什么？看一下。3、
Okay.
然后呢？
谢谢。
帮他跟妈妈照一张啊，直接这样。对，please and photo and my mother and the father.
Sure. Let's take photos together, chat. Wait, are we apping chat? We back? 谢谢 Thank you so much.
好吃，跟条打，来，你这边没关系。
都可以啊。
啊来，无你说的，几个你几吧？
哦。
好，OK，no mind。
得。
有拍到了，谢谢。
安爸爸，
谢谢。
马起来，你大家回去吧。
Thank you。
他找老大。
你就来了，哎，难走单铁打过。老公啊。
买发了。
谢谢。
Thank you. So wholesome. Why people happy, dude?
可以麻烦一下吗？
咱们家咱讲上一节最好。
Sorry, please.
No problem, no problem.
比我等你老会不会好一些？
哦，
咱们讲上一节，快点就是啊。
OK，
谢谢。
Thank
你
you.
好，你好。
没啦，
是，谢谢。
My
你看
people
你讲好来
happy.，
快，赶快！一，1 2 3。
直接嘛，快一直嘛。
Thank you. 谢谢。
啊，你好，好。Sorry。
Oh, okay.
Sorry。1 2 3。耶，好，谢谢。
Thank you.
哦，谢谢。
The goal sign. Okay.
这什么雷球啊？这什么球？
不帮他讲 ，OK。
哦，我想说以为他的商品。好。
Thank you. 谢谢。Ball sign. Alrighty, Chad. Let me see. I'm taking this.
来，过来。
Okay.
哦，谢谢。
Sign my ball. Thank you.
Yo love from India.
你好，你好。进来这有 low
，Let's go，加油！
Oh, thank you.
加油
Thank you so much.
你这你东西借了。
你等下对了，
Can you？
Oh, yeah, of course.
我一个提哦。
是。哦，你要自己拍，好，可以啊，可以，没问题。
一朵应该爱吃，一朵。
Thank you so much. Yes.
安尼挂呀，
Thank you, bye bye.
这个要
他不用。
没关系吧，我已经有。
他都有，他三样都有。是指向吗？这个要吗？50万。
OK.
算了。
谢谢 ，Thank you.
这有吗？
这个。
有。
好。
Thank you so much.
谢谢。
拜拜 ，Thank you.
这个二手的敢想啊？
不用按太够了。
二手一想。
有啦，
Thank you for the food. 谢谢，Thank you for the dinner. 谢谢，Thank you.
有机会再见面啊！
欢迎来到台湾。
Thank you. Okay, bye. Thank you.
哎，弟弟有好不？你这样子可以。
路上小心啊。
Thank you.
注意安全。这给你。
还要吗？
没关系，我有。
会还要吗？
哎，对，我有，it's okay. It's okay, 没关系。真的吗？
当宵夜。
Thank you. Yeah, 真的好吃哦。没关系，我 it's okay. Thank you, bye. 谢谢，拜拜。Oh wow, they are so nice. Oh my god, the hospitality, pinnacle of hospitality, chat. Wow. They gave more extra food as well that I can eat while watching YouTube shorts, laying down in the bed. Cat behind you, thank you for 5 gifts. 감사합니다. Thank you, 谢谢. Thank you. 자요, 谢谢. People Taiwan, people are so nice. Wow, that was wholesome. Very wholesome. Dancing in the moonlight. Daxi. Wow, bye bye. Another amazing day, chat. Oh, okay. I'm gonna this was the old street. So this is gonna be my safe spot. Okay? So we're gonna do stop vlogging from here. That's the safe spot, chat. Successful day 12. Now, if we look at the map, wow. moly! We actually went around this much, starting from Ilan over here, and then we are all the way around now. Isn't it cool? Tomorrow, I think we're gonna go down to Hsinchu, this Hsinchu area check. We're gonna go to Hsinchu area. Just gonna be cool, fun. And then once we arrive Hsinchu area, we'll hit 300 kilometer plus, and I'll have my rest day. Thank you
What
so
a day,
much.
you were such a tough cutie.
Thank you, thank you. Alright, guys. Did you guys have fun today? Today was very, very fun. Chat as well. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for coming along the adventure today as well. Thank you so much for all the support as well, chat. You guys are the best. 谢谢你们看。谢谢。Ryan, everyone, give this up. Thank you so much. I wonder if it's gonna rain tomorrow. I think it will. Yeah. Support. Guys, thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the support. I hope you guys have best rest of your days. Wei, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you. And I'll see you guys on the next stream. Thank you for everything. Bye bye, chat. See you on the next day. Have a great rest of your days. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye bye.
Thank you.